You must have heard of the sensationalized ChatGPT, but did you know that ChatGPT can be used to generate passive revenue in addition to its main applications in artificial intelligence and natural language processing research? You must be thinking, what is passive income and what are the best ways to generate passive income through ChatGPT? But before we start, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get such intriguing updates on new technology. Money made while not actively working on a task or project is referred to as passive income. You can do this with a certain form of income, and ChatGPT can assist you in doing that. Now let's delve deeper and discuss 5 ways through which you can generate passive income. How would it be if you had an assistant to provide 24/7 customer service to your customers? Well, number 5 on our list indicates that ChatGPT can do that. It's possible to build chatbots for businesses that engage with clients using ChatGPT. This creates chances for businesses to provide chatbot generation services, which can bring in a consistent flow of passive money. As a service provider, you can use ChatGPT to create and alter chatbots to suit the unique requirements of enterprises. This entails integrating the chatbot with current customer care systems, fine-tuning the chatbot's responses, and training it on pertinent data. Many companies strive to offer 24/7 customer service, but keeping a live support team on staff may be expensive. This gap can be filled by chatbots powered by ChatGPT at any moment by providing automated assistance. Businesses can increase customer loyalty and happiness by providing 24/7 customer care via chatbots. Moving further to number 4, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for generating ebooks content on a wide range of topics. Choose a specialty or subject area that interests you, about which you're informed and passionate, and that has market demand. It may be anything that interests you, including self-help, personal finance, wellness and health, technology, and more. The technique can be used to help with writing chapters, offering research insights, creating case studies, and responding to frequently asked questions about the subject. The model can be a useful tool for producing interesting and educational content. Fun fact, did you know that ChatGPT can also code for apps and websites? Number 3 on our list is ChatGPT can be helpful in content creation for social media and so much more. You can produce top-notch written material for numerous channels like blogs, social networking, and more. ChatGPT can be a wonderful tool. You can create a consistent flow of passive money by selling your writing services to customers. Identify your areas of expertise or your favorite subjects for writing. These may be fields you're knowledgeable about, hobbies, or topics you've done a lot of research on. By concentrating on a certain niche, you can build a blog once and get views on it for a lifetime. Number 2 comes ChatGPT can be useful in creating online courses. A useful resource for creating content for online courses on a variety of subjects is ChatGPT. You can generate passive revenue from ongoing sales by selling online courses on websites like Coursera, Udemy, or even your own. The model can help in creating lesson plans, lecture scripts, course outlines, and supporting materials. It can offer knowledge, justifications, illustrations, and responses to inquiries about the subject. By doing this, you may use ChatGPT to improve the course materials and speed up the content creation process. After creating the course material, you can arrange it in a logical, sequential order to ensure that the knowledge is presented to students in a coherent manner, divided into modules, lessons, and subtopics. To encourage active learning and involvement, think about including tests, assignments, and practical exercises. Fun fact, did you know that ChatGPT experienced 1 million users just in the first week of its launch? The top position in this list is bagged by ChatGPT's video creation. On the internet, there are a variety of niche and sub-niche categories that have not yet been fully investigated. You can ask ChatGPT to suggest videos for a specific category, then you can request that it also produce a script for the YouTube video. When you're finished, visit Pictory.ai or InVideo.io to instantly produce films from the text with AI-supported narration. Now that the video has been uploaded to YouTube, you can start making some extra cash. So these were a few ways through which you can raise your bank balance to some extent. Thanks for watching. If you know of any other ideas to generate passive income through ChatGPT, do share it in the comments below.